Hello students, welcome to Luminary Academy and I am back with a new video. In this video I will be solving question number 6 of class 10th chapter number 8 trigonometry exercise 8.1. Okay, it is written that angle A and angle B are acute angles, so both are acute angle means they are less than 90, such that cos A and is equals to cos B, then show that angle A is equals to angle B. So first thing what you can do is, the easiest method is that you can make a triangle like this, right? In this triangle you can name it as A, this is angle A, you can name it as angle B, and they both are acute if you can see that. So don't write inside, just write outside. This is B, okay, and this is C. So A, B and C, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, now what you can do is, it is written that cos A is equals to cos B. This is given, right? So you know what is cos A, so you can find what is cos A. Cos A will be equal to, some people have curly black hair. So what is black here? Cos A, because the angle is this, in that case, so base will be AC and here will be AB. Okay, so AC upon AB, and cos B, that means this will be angle. Now this is our theta, this is our angle. So in that case what will happen? Base upon hypotenuse, so base will be BC here, so base will be BC upon hypotenuse will be AB, right? Now we know that cos A equal to cos B. Okay, so put the value of cos A in the place of this, okay, and cos B at this place. So AC upon AB is equals to BC upon AB. Okay, AB cancel, so what is left? Now I'll be solving here. What is left? AC equal to BC. So this is your AC and this is your BC, they both are equal. Okay, and you know that if the two sides of triangle are equal, then angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So these two angles are also equal. So you need to write that if two sides are equal, in this case angle opposite to, ये स्टेटमेंट आपको लिखना पड़ेगा बच्चों, equal sides are equal. ठीक है, in this you can say that if the two sides are equal, then angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So angle A is equals to angle B. So this is our answer and we have solved it and we have proved it that angle A is equals to angle B. क्योंकि दोनों साइड इक्वल हो गई, AC and BC, so angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. That's why we have proved that angle A equal to angle B. Okay, so I use the theorem of triangle in this. I hope you understand this video, students. Keep watching, share with your friends. Thank you.